Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this beautiful 69 Chevelle SS Yenko Tribute. Just a gorgeous car, love it. That really nice sharp blue with the white pinning and the stripes. Fantastic color combination. So let's take a closer look in our body. Is very straight on this car, as you can see. She's just pretty. That blue is really sharp. Definitely very eye-catching. I mean, just look at this profile. Gorgeous car. Badge is a 396, but she is in fact a 454. Bigger motor there. Just a really stunning car. She is a driver quality vehicle, so that's gonna mean she runs great, looks great, but she is gonna have a couple blemishes here and there. Paint on her is really strong, so you can, let's go over to where the sun's hitting it. You can just see beautiful flake. They definitely took their time when they were painting this bad boy. Just a gorgeous car. Really enjoy these cars, and they definitely are flying off the shelves like hotcakes. So if you're looking for one of these, definitely pull the trigger quick. Interior, oh that's right, she's a 4-speed too, so even more fun. Just a gorgeous car. But instead of gawking, I say let's take her for a spin, yeah? We can have some fun in this and see how she runs, and you'll get a first-hand look, and then we'll pop around the lift and show you the undercarriage. So let's go take her for a spin. All right, I'm here with Al. He's gonna drive it for us. Something I did mention, she is vintage air, which is quite nice. Yep. Really good upgrade.
Obviously that air conditioning also is heat if you're up north. Really smooth synchronization.
Yep.
Nice, strong exhaust. We got a school zone here, so we just got to take it a little easier for a second ride. You're on the road a little rough. Power steering, power brakes.
Yeah, this is a great driver. Really good driver.
Yeah, this car.
How's the power steering feel?
Yeah, be really good too. I mean, look at the brakes too. I can slam on the brakes. Car
There we go, straight.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Pretty cool. So we'll get her on the road, get her through the gears, and then take her in the back and let you raise her up so you can show her the fun.
Yeah, she's got a lot of power in that 454. She wants to drive. Yeah, she definitely wants to drive. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here, guys, and when we're on the road, I'll restart it for us. All right, here we go. The fun part. Woo! Going sideways a little bit twice. A lot of power to the back end. A lot of power to the back end.
Yeah, she's got positive traction for it.
Yep, this thing's a monster. Really smooth car. We're not feeling any road feedback in terms of like vibrations or rattling.
Good gauges.
We have our gauges as well. Yeah, really pretty car. Drives great. So let's go ahead and make a U-turn, and we'll get her back on the lift.
All right.